Hello everyone, my name is Shagun. Today I am here to tell you about Microsoft Azure, basically what it is and basically what are its benefits and all. So now let's start. First of all, let's discuss about what basically Microsoft Azure is. Okay, as per Wikipedia, Wikipedia says Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service operated by Microsoft for application management. Basically, what it is, Microsoft Azure provides you a portal using which you can manage your applications from anywhere in the world, even from your mobile devices. Not only laptops and all, from your mobile devices also. Uh, how it do such thing is with the help of various data centers it has Microsoft has established across the world. Okay, so basically, Azure provides you software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service to their customers on the pay per use model basis. Basically, what is pay per use model is you have to pay for only and only that service and that much amount which you are purchasing from Azure. Okay, so now let's see what the Microsoft Azure say they are officially. Okay, basically Microsoft Azure helps you to achieve your goals with freedom and flexibility. Basically, freedom and flexibility it meant to say is you can use any platform, any device, any programming language to make a project and deploy it on the cloud. Okay, basically you can use any framework or other data centers or anything, any other cloud services can also be interacted with Azure. Okay, now a very genuine question comes into the mind. Why should we use Azure? There are many other options available, so why only Azure? Now let's discuss about its benefits. Okay, basically the very big benefit of Microsoft Azure is it provides you with many resources and tools and basically different types of assistance using which you can manipulate your data, you can transfer your data from your on-premise sources to the cloud. You can also deploy your existing applications to the cloud. uh, Apart from this it can handle a very large workload. Basically it provides you different processing nodes virtually, so you can pay for those nodes as per a requirement and use it for any level of data processing you want. Other benefit of Microsoft Azure is it basically gives you only a single platform using which you can perform your any task, be it your analytical task, be it your processing task, be it your creating dashboards and other things, be it your storage of data, anything that comes in your mind related to a software development, you can use Microsoft Azure. Also, it provides you the capabilities of using Spark, capabilities of using Python, using machine learning and AI things. Also, Microsoft Azure basically provides you the way you can share your big data across enterprise. You don't have to manually transport data from one location to another. Okay. Uh, One other very important feature of Microsoft Azure is its highly improved and highly robust security. Basically, it provides a very tough layer of security so that you can securely keep your data and make it breach free. You can use Microsoft Azure Data Lakes. Basically, Data Lake is a method to store data on Azure cloud. It is basically a very secure method to store your enterprise data, your any important information and anything on the cloud. Okay. Now, a very next thing that comes into the mind: what is the cost? How can we compare the cost of Azure with other systems? So basically, Microsoft Azure is basically 5 times cheaper than any other cloud service that are in the market. Basically, AWS, IBM services, Oracle services. Microsoft Azure is five times lesser than them. Okay. Uh, Now let's discuss about various industries and areas in which Microsoft Azure is being used. Uh, One of the biggest industries the Microsoft Azure is being used is manufacturing and retail industries. Basically, many industries and companies are using Microsoft Azure to build their business. Many startups are using Microsoft Azure to mm, create applications and do their data processing tasks. Other area in which Microsoft Azure is being used is government level. Some countries are also using Microsoft Azure for their data storage, for their analytical purposes, for their data transfers and all. Uh, One more important sector that I would like to discuss is healthcare sector. Basically, Microsoft Azure, as I told you, uh, provides you with high level of data processing, so it can be used to store different surgical data or different kind of prescriptions given by doctors and different data from. Basically, we can store operational data and all on Microsoft Azure, and uh, it can further be used to give benefits to new patients. Okay. Now, one thing comes in mind is how can we use Microsoft Azure? Basically, for using Microsoft, you have to pay before using it. Okay, but for our help, Microsoft Azure, what it do is it basically helps you. It basically provides you with the facility to create a free account for 12 months. Let me show its specifications. Basically, you can use many popular services given by Azure for 12 months. It will be having 200 US dollars as your credit, and you will be enjoying more than 40 plus services in Azure. Okay, so that's it about Azure. I would like to conclude this lecture. Thank you very much for being with me.